Hello everyone, welcome to a presentation video of NEREC Young Fellow Group 8. Our project, Guiding the Use of Artificial Intelligence for Nuclear Non-Proliferation, discussed the nexus between artificial intelligence and nuclear systems. It has two main sections, data and analysis and policy recommendations, where we propose 5 strategies for AI as a tool of non-proliferation. In the advancement of nuclear technology systems, AI is one of the possibly most disruptive technologies to confront mankind. The use of AI in nuclear weapon systems will certainly impact nuclear strategy. Scholars argue that new advances in AI have both a positive and negative impacts on strategic stability. However, we argue that AI can be used to promote non-proliferation by preserving strategic stability. We have two main research questions. 1. What is the impact of AI on nuclear safeguards and security? 2. How does this impact nuclear non-proliferation? Our data findings and analysis section reveals several trends. First, AI is being used in ISR system to increase the capability of early warning and gathering a large set of data. It is also being used to predict the development of nuclear weapons. Secondly, for nuclear command and control systems, AI can enhance protection against cyber attacks and achieve efficient management of force. Lastly, machine learning and autonomy are being used in the system focused on delivering nuclear weapons. AI is also being used to prevent proliferation through nuclear safeguards. AI can be used in radiation detection, video surveillance, digital shields, on-site inspection, and more. AI can also be used to detect actors who illicitly trade in nuclear material, technology, and equipment. AI is already being used to identify situations that may lead to proliferation. In a study by the Center for Advanced Defense Studies, machine learning algorithms helped identify overseas companies from which Pakistani entities were procuring nuclear goods. In order to harness the benefits of AI in nuclear technology, we have several policy recommendations. Recommendation 1. Commit to radical transparency. If states are sharing that AI is being used, decisions about escalation, this demystifies the decision-making process enough to be proactive in potential crisis situations, while maintaining internal security. 2. Place limits on the use of autonomous technology. In order to mitigate the negative effects of AI development, states should commit to leaving no aspect of nuclear decision-making solely to AI, and agree to limit the use of LAWS to non-nuclear activities. 3. We push for full ratification of the CTBT. Full ratification of the CTBT would create a precedent for international cooperation with utilization of AI in nuclear dialogues. 4. Explore the possibility of a joint ISR sharing network. Comprehensive intelligence could lead to bolstered strategic stability by bridging info gaps that leads to asymmetric escalation or aggressive nuclear posturing. 5. Explore joint military exercises. Given that AI is being increasingly incorporated into nuclear systems, nuclear powers should incorporate AI failures or ambiguities into joint exercises. In conclusion, the introduction of AI into nuclear systems will undoubtedly complicate nuclear politics. However, we believe AI can be mostly beneficial and used to help prevent nuclear proliferation. Human operators of nuclear command and control must be increasingly aware of the risks also associated with incorporation of artificial intelligence into nuclear systems. While some argue that AI could lead to strategic instability, it also has the potential to bolster nuclear safeguards and ultimately leads to conflict de-escalation, a reduction in nuclear arsenal and possible denuclearization. Thank you for your attention.